Hey all, welcome to Dreamquesta. So as we have going to discuss career switch roadmap in this video. So there are actually 8 points. As you can see, self-assessment is there, set career goals is there, upscaling, build profile, and then networking, transition planning, job application, and resilient mindset. One by one we'll look. This is just the general roadmap, you can say. Actually how we will do it, we will see it in upcoming videos. Okay, one by one I'll upload each video every day. Whatever practice I'll be doing, I'll be uploading video regarding it, how I did it, what I did today. And if you are somewhere stuck in between like me, or you can just like you have started your college, or you have in the last sem, or you are in the 3rd or 4th year and you want to prepare for your job, also you can prepare with me. Okay, so let's just start. So this is the first self-assessment. Okay, first point is a self-assessment. In that, what you need to do, you need to evaluate your current skill. Let's just be very frank. Okay, evaluate your current skills and experience. Just assume you know something, you don't know something. Just evaluate yourself. I think you already know whatever things you know, whatever things you don't know. Okay, there are some then after that, identify strength, wellness, and career aspirations. If you want any specific role to be acquired, or if you want just want to prepare for the any interview, like general interview. Okay, just to land a job as a software development engineer. Okay, or in any service based companies or anywhere. Okay, so you can go for the general one. If you have any specific role to be acquired, as in let's suppose a full stack engineer, or you can say data analyst. Okay, so something like this. There are some different roadmaps which we'll gonna follow for that also. I'll give you that also in upcoming videos. But for the general one, we'll say specific. Let's suppose you are in the 3rd or 4th year, you want to crack any product based company to startup or anything. You can refer this roadmap, as I'm preparing for the same, and I'll be sharing everything what I'm gonna learn and how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so define a clear target. Okay, so for me it's a product based company I want to target. Okay, as I'm already working in a service based company now currently, and I'm working in a support project. Okay, so there are things which I have learned, but now I need to upgrade myself, for which I need to switch the company directly. So for that I'm preparing. Okay, so I think you might be having the same kind of situation like me, or you are just need to switch to your job. You can also refer the flowchart, or you can refer my channel or upcoming videos. Okay, after that, set SMART goal, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Okay, what the most people do is they set the goal, they want to achieve something. Let's suppose they want to master DSA. So simple example, DSA is not the thing which you can master in 1 or 2 months. It's need a lot of practice. I know there are people who are way beyond the comprehension, who can do this in 1 or 2 months and they can crack interview that. But let's suppose I'm like the average guy like me, how I'm gonna do it, I'll be explaining that step by step. Okay, so we will set small goals at a time, we will achieve them, then we will move forward. Okay, so by this what will happen, first is we will learn a lot of things. Second is what, we will have that confidence that we can do the things. Third is what, we can be consistent, which is the most important thing while learning topics like DSA, because most of the people leave these topics in between. Why? Because they are not consistent. Okay, so we are not gonna repeat the same mistake they did. Okay, so for that I'll be uploading whatever I'm learning every day, so you can also refer the same. Okay, if you're not consistent, or you have tried multiple times but you have failed to do, okay, just try with me. Okay, be with me on this journey, and we will go through it. Okay, then break the long-term goals into actionable milestones. Okay, then after that, this is the set career goal part. Then after that, upskilling. Okay, upskilling, what we will do, we'll first figure out what the skill gaps you have. Let's suppose you don't know anything, you can directly start one by one whatever I'm going to teach you. Okay, in this YouTube channel, by uploading every video. Okay, then after that, let's suppose there are actually things which matter the most. Okay, so data structure is there. Okay, and then after that, system design. These are the most two important topics you can learn. Okay, because in the interviews, let's suppose there are 3 to 4 rounds, you can expect 1 or 2 rounds going to be on the data structure part. Okay, that's why DS is the most important. After that, system design is also important. People now realizing the system design is also the important topic. Okay, so there will be 100% one round in the system design when if you're targeting any product based company. Okay, after that, certification if you have any. Okay, if you have any kind of certification, you can do that as well. Practice problem solving on LeetCode and HackerRank, which we are going to do, and I'll explain each and every question I'm going to do, how I did it. Okay, what you can do. Okay, there are some patterns in the DSA you can refer. There are some sheets which we are going to refer. I'm going to explain every single thing here. Okay, so after that, build a portfolio. Let's assume you have done everything above. Okay, you can build portfolio, like develop real world projects if you have any. It's good. If you are gonna do it please, and increase your technical skills. Okay, after that, contribute to the open source projects if you can. If you already contributing to it, so it's well and good, you can add it in your resume. Okay, maintain updated and polished GitHub profile, which is a must thing. Okay, after that, we will see how we will going to achieve this. Okay, one by one. Then after that, create a standout resume. Again, you already know, as you are already in the IT field or you are going to go for the interviews, we will explain everything deeply. Okay, connect with the professional on LinkedIn. This is also the most important thing. Lots of people ignore these kind of things, but trust me, it is going to help you. Okay, how we are going to do it, I'll explain it afterwards. Okay, join relevant tech communities and forums. Okay, to get updates what is happening in the industry. Like, you need to be top notch at everything. Attend hackathons, webinars, industry events if there are any. If you can, please attend. I know work professionals just like me not getting that much amount of time to attend webinars and all those things, but see, if you can attend, please attend. Okay, it will give you a proper knowledge how the things are, how the competitive environment is. Seek mentorship on or informational interviews. Mock interviews is a must to do thing. Seek mentorship if you can. Ask your seniors if you're in the college. Ask your colleagues who are seniors. If you are a working professional, ask your seniors. Okay, they can also guide you with the same. Or if you want to go in any product based companies, any particular one, you can just message to that particular member who is already there working in that company, how he achieved his dream. You can get the experience. I know most of the time you're not getting any responses on the LinkedIn, but it's fine. Try with the different people in the same company, you will get response from someone. Then after that, transition planning is also there. In that, we are going to create like a realistic preparation timeline. This amount of time you will need it, so please ready to give this amount of time. This is the realistic time I'm assuming. Okay, I'm average guy just like you. I'm saying if you're genius, it's good. So after that, divide it into weekly or monthly goals, and after that, schedule time for learning, networking, application. Again, this is that regularly review and adjust, plan as needed. After that, job applications. We learned everything. After that, the last phase will be job application. So trailer, resume, cover letters for each application. Again, we will see that in the future. Okay, use job boards, LinkedIn, referrals to find the opportunities. How I'm gonna do it, I'll explain everything on my channel. If you already referring to some another channel, you are already doing it, keep doing it. All the best for you. Okay, so the people who are stuck like with me, or people who are trying to learn something new, or you want to prepare some interviews with me, just to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Prepare for technical interviews with mock interviews. There are all there are multiple sites where you can go, you can prepare, you can give mock interviews as well. And if you don't know, I'll tell you everything. Don't worry about it. Then resilient mindset. After all, this is you will say what's the point, kind of point is this, but to follow all those points, you need to have this resilient mindset. Okay, stay consistent, motivated despite setbacks. There might be time you will feel like you cannot able to do it. You're like feel bored, or you like what I'm doing or something. I'm gonna assure you, be there. Okay. In between, I'll upload some motivation videos as well if you want. If you have something like this, you feel demotivated or something, let me know in the comments, and whenever we are uploading videos, so I'll upload some kind of motivation video for you guys as well. Okay, treat every rejection as a learning experience. So if whenever you're trying to do the interview part, and trust me, how many times you're getting rejected, you're gonna do better in the next upcoming interviews you're going to get. Okay, because those rejection gonna make you stronger. Trust me on this. I already been on this process, so I know. Okay, celebrate small wins to stay on track. That's why I tell you, set make your bigger goal into small topics, and in make those topics as well, make them it's just like a bullet, making the entire main point into making in a bullet points. Okay, so if you're making that entire paragraph into bullet point, it is readable, right? So same with the preparation as well. If you're going to try to achieve everything at once, you're not going to achieve it. So break it into realistic small points or steps. So we will climb that step one by one. After all, I'm there with you in this journey. So all the best for you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you with the next video.